What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Thomas here from Green Rhino. Just a little update on this Namco floor wash 5000. I know I did a recent video on tile cleaning talking about when the tray is out, it kind of splashes back. So what I did yesterday was, I'll put a short clip as I'm talking, is I actually pre-sprayed, let the tray in and scrubbed with it to see what difference in the cleaning it would be, because my thought of mine was actually this would be pulling up the solution, and I wanted to sit there a lot longer, have that dwell time before I extract. Well, I ended up only pulling just a little bit, and the clean was great, as you can tell. So yeah, you can tell that, you know, it worked just fine. So I'm gonna start leaving this tray, and it's just gonna leave for a cleaner. It's gonna bring all that hair and stuff into the tray, which instead of all over the place like it was doing. And then same with tile and grout. So that just makes me love this machine even more, because it's light, it scrubs great, easy to maintain. So I'm liking this thing. We can use it today too, so check it out. all finished short. A lot of cleaning. Turned out great, and we're off to the next one.